Welcome to our company, Shanghai Xuka Construction Machinery Company Limited. We are a company specializing in the export of used construction machinery. Since its inception, we have been committed to providing customers worldwide with high-quality, reliable used construction machinery and equipment. Our product range includes various types of excavators, loaders, cranes, rollers, etc. Brand range has second-hand Liugong, XCMG, Komatsu, and so on. All equipment is rigorously tested and maintained to ensure its performance and safety. Our professional team carries out detailed inspection and maintenance on every piece of equipment to meet the needs of our customers. As a professional export company, we have rich experience and extensive network, can provide you with one-stop services, including equipment selection, logistics arrangements, customs clearance, and so on. Our goal is to get you the best value for money and make your purchasing process simple and convenient. We know the importance of customer satisfaction, so we always adhere to the customer as the center to provide quality after-sales service. No matter what problems you encounter in the process of use, our professional team will answer and solve for you in time. Thank you for choosing our company. We look forward to building a long-term partnership with you. If you have any questions or needs, please feel free to contact us. Let's create greater value together.